The laundry facility at Malmö Folkets Park. This video is designed to help tenants at Malmö Folkets Park to find the laundry facility in the cellar. Where is it? The laundry facility at Malmö Folkets Park is located in the northeastern corner of the entire building. It is here marked out in yellow. How do I find it? The easiest way to find the laundry facility is to take the elevator in the southernmost part of the building down to the -1 level. This is what it looks like just outside the elevator shaft on the second floor of the building. Enter and go down to the -1 level. If you're having trouble finding the elevator, you can always go from outside the building as well. We are now standing at the parking lot on the backhand side of the building. Enter through the white door by using your tag on the tag reader. You will enter the staircase and take left to go down to the -1 level. You will find the elevator on your left-hand side, but we will turn right. Use your tag on the tag reader to open the door. Turn left and continue down the hall. When you reach the intersection, turn right. And you will here find the 2 laundry facilities at Malmö Folkets Park with the electronic booking system just to the left of the first door.